Oh, Tails, what are you doing? Oh, hey Mario. I'm just working on stuff. Not hacking at all. Totally not hacking. But what's up? Well, you see, I was just really bored, and I just wanted to do something. Well, do you have anything in mind that I can do? Well, oh, yeah, you can solve this. I almost solved it, but you see, I only got one side done. Yeah, it's kind of hard to solve. Oh, well, I'll try my best. You already have two sides solved, right? Yeah. Okay. See ya. Great. Now, time to go back to work. Okay, now it's time to solve this once and for all. Don't need this hat. See you in a second, Cappy. Let's see how we can solve this. Oh, I think I know. Turn it like, and voila! It should. Wait, that's not right. Neither is that side, or that side, or that side. Tails. What? What was that? What the? Sonic. Hey, no, Sonic, get up. Let me sleep. What do you want? Get up. Okay, I'm up. What do you want? Listen, you gotta help me. So, Tails gave me this Rubik's Cube, and he was almost done with it. And you see, I tried to solve it myself, but I failed to solve it. It's all messed up now. You gotta help me. What's in it for me, huh? I'll get you a lifetime supply of chili dogs. I promise. Cross my heart. Well, you got yourself a deal then, buddy. Okay, thank you. Is there anyone I should know that can solve this Rubik's Cube? Wait. Oh, I left it. I don't even know where it's at. We gotta go look for it. Come on. Fine. Alright, let's go. What the heck is that? I gotta get a closer look. Oh, it's one of those turny thingies. I guess I should just keep it. I mean, no one else is using it. I should probably solve it myself. Can't wait to see how this thing works. Alright. And there you go. I'll come back to solve it later. Oh no! Where is it at? Where did it go? Oh no. Didn't you say there was like a Rubik's Cube? Yeah, but it's not here. Well, I found your hat. Huh? Oh yeah, my hat. That could lead us to a clue. Yeah. Great job, Sonic. You're welcome, I guess. I'll just go grab it. Here you go. Nice. We could see who kicked my hat off of this table and see their fingerprints, or footprints to be exact. I don't think that's gonna work. Well, you never know until you try. So let's go tell Tails. Not what happened, but we could tell him to check who touched my hat. So let's go. Okay, whatever.